You could have been learning for weeks, months, or even years, but you still don't speak with confidence. Then you start asking yourself, what am I doing wrong? Well, want to know more because you're about to learn what you need to do to speak English fluently. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about 2 reasons why you can't speak English fluently and 7 ways to improve your English speaking skills. Alright, let's get started. Here are 2 reasons why you find it difficult to speak in English. First, it's a difficult skill. If English isn't your native language, then you are more likely to face challenges. Imagine doing this all at the same time, formulating the right sentences, having accurate vocabulary and grammar while speaking using correct pronunciation. Phew, that's a lot. Second, not practicing the right skills to improve speaking. Practice makes perfect. We have heard this phrase a million times simply because it's true. Think about how much time was dedicated to speaking. I bet it wasn't much. Now that we have figured out the 2 main reasons why you're still having difficulties speaking English fluently, let's now move on to the good part, the solution. Here are 7 ways to improve your English speaking skills. First, work on pronunciation. Learn the sounds of English and learn how to make them correctly. You have to learn the proper way of speaking, use of intonation, use of stress, relaxed pronunciation, etc. This is going to make a huge difference to the way you speak. People will understand you better, your English will be more accurate, and things will just flow for you. You can check the pronunciation of words, record yourself saying sounds, get feedback. Once you get it right, get long-term repetition. This is just like improving your golf swing, or the way you play the piano, or kicking a football. You learn the skill, practice, get feedback, make changes, and then get lots of repetition. Second, imitate native speakers. This is a very effective way to improve not only your speaking, but your listening, vocabulary, and grammar skills as well. It works like this. Listen. Start by listening to a sentence in English. Repeat. Pause the audio and repeat a sentence or phrase. Record. While repeating the words or sentences, record yourself. Compare. This is the last part of this method. Listen to the original audio, then listen to your recording and compare the 2. Once you can repeat the originally audio accurately, it's time to get lots of repetition. Third, shadow English speakers. This is all about working on your English fluency. In shadowing, you have to listen to audio and repeat what you hear without pausing it. No stops, no pauses. It is also vital to choose an audio piece that you can follow. This is key. Only do this with audio that you can easily repeat. Number 4. Find friends to practice with. Speaking with friends might be the best and most enjoyable way to learn. Talk to your peers in English. You'll have fun while learning. Most people learn English to have conversations, so start having them now. 5. Expand your vocabulary, but be specific. Learn more words and phrases that you are going to use when speaking English. Make this specific to you. Learn words or phrases you need to talk about a certain subject. For example, if you need English for business, learn business English phrasal verbs. Remember, when learning words and phrases, it is so important to learn by sentences, complete phrases, or chunks of sentences. This is going to help with your grammar and so that you know exactly how to use these words. 6. Listen as much as possible. Listening all the time and getting as much listening practice as possible will dramatically help your speaking. Of course, listening and speaking are 2 different skills, but in order for you to have a conversation, you need to understand the person you are talking to. Listening to the sounds of English will help you better make the sounds of English. The good news is that you can listen while doing other things. Last but not least, stay consistent. Commit to 5 till 10 minutes English practice every day. If you can do more, great. Some days you might do 2 until 3 hours, but make sure you do the minimum every single day. Remember, consistency is key in learning a complex skill, like the ability to speak English at a high level and with confidence. Simply put, fluency isn't built in a day, but in the small steps you practice every day. Every word you speak today brings you closer to confidence tomorrow. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and your English will grow naturally. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video here on the channel. Bye bye.